Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about TrafficGuard Price. TrafficGuard's PPC protection can help you get genuine ad engagements, convert more customers, grow your business faster. In short, TrafficGuard has two main pricing options. The first one, Protect plan, is free with up to $2,500 per month on Google ad spend. And the Protect PRO package costs 2% of Google ad spend and includes all supported services. Advertise and grow confidently. TrafficGuard's real-time fraud prevention keeps your traffic clean, increases reach, and drives return on ad spend. TrafficGuard's PPC protection makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to protect their Google Ads campaigns from click fraud. Getting set up is simple and takes just minutes. TrafficGuard actively monitors your Google Ads traffic and automatically blacklists sources of invalid traffic 24/7. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.